Welcome to the Conrad Los Angeles, Hilton's newest luxury offering in downtown LA. The hotel was designed by renowned architect Frank Gehry and is located directly across the street from his iconic Walt Disney Concert Hall. In this video, we'll take you on a quick tour of the property and our standard king bedroom. Make sure to like and subscribe to help us reach our goal of getting to 1,000 subscribers. We first made our way to the elevators on the street level to get to the lobby located on the 10th floor. The bright open lobby features interiors by designer Tara Bernard. We next made our way to our room 1615. The first thing we noticed was the brightness of the room from the floor-to-ceiling windows. Immediately to the right was an open closet and the control panel to control the lighting and other features of the room. There were complimentary bathrobes and slippers for use during our stay. To the left of the entrance was the modern bathroom featuring toiletries from Byredo in the set Mojave Ghost. The shower features both Rainfall and standard shower heads as well as a handheld option. Above the nightstand is another control panel to control the lights and shades while in bed. The minibar features different drinks and snacks for sale. There was a personalized welcome note from the staff. The complimentary water is provided in custom aluminum bottles. And even a personalized welcome on the TV. There's a comfy L-shaped couch positioned right in front of the TV next to the window. Our view was of the courthouse across the street on 1st Street. Next, we made a stop at the pool, which features stunning views of the hotel's fluid architecture. The poolside bar, Air Light, features a selection of light bites and craft cocktails. We had the patatas bravas to snack on and a couple cocktails to drink. Adjacent to the pool is the rooftop restaurant helmed by famed chef Jose Andres, Agua Viva, that is open from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. We stopped by for lunch and had the Croquetas de Cangrejo, the Maine lobster roll, and the strip loin with chimichurri. Ryan even got to meet executive chef David Fio. For dinner, we checked out the other Jose Andres helmed restaurant on site, San Laurel. We had the striped bass Crudo, the Lobster Salpicon, the striped bass Entree, and the duck breast. There are multiple different seating areas that include stunning views of the Walt Disney Concert Hall. The hotel also features 2 on-site bars, the Boji Room and Sed, which are both adjacent to the hotel lobby. We also got to take a quick look into the spa located on the 9th floor. There were private resting areas with massage pads, tranquil massage and treatment rooms, infrared sauna, Harmonic Therapy Bed, after treatment relaxation area, and a Thai massage room. The fitness center is located on the 8th floor and is a large space with lots of different equipment. During our stay, they had the official ribbon cutting ceremony and we snuck a peek from an 11th floor window. That ends our quick tour of the Conrad Los Angeles. We hope you enjoyed our video. Leave any questions or comments in the comment section below and like, subscribe, and check out our other videos. We'll see you next time.